how could you leave us all behind? There's so much to say, but there's
Save
so
him.
little time. So how do I say goodbye to someone who's been with me for my whole damn life? You gave me my name and the color of your eyes, see your face when I look at mine. So how do I say goodbye?
A warrior,
When I couldn't.
chieftain,
You
father,
always saw the best in me.
friend.
Right or wrong, you were always on my side. But I'm scared